Oh my God, this place is very nice. I like the view. Because we are here in the Tambubo Bay.
Nasa naman ka?
Ha?
Ano mag-English na may noon ka na?
Don't speak to me. Don't speak to me because I'm here in California now.
Mag-English ka. Kung naanak ka rin sa California.
We are in California now, so we need to speak English. But we can, our tone is Bisaya.
Pwede ka nang, they understand to we speak Bisaya.
Yeah,
Hindi to English.
we need to maintain our view. Okay, go there.
Oh, wow. You know, this is my first time in my last sentence. Oh, slowly, maybe you...
Oh my God, dalipak is baliin.
Slowly, your position is to look like a bomb.
I like the boat there. You want me to buy that boat?
Yeah,
You want the boat there?
I want to have a boat one day.
You want the boat?
Yes. Very
Alright.
nice.
Soon I will buy you a boat. Then how many boat? You like 2 boat? Why are you laughing?
Because you want
I'm
that I want one boat and they two boat.
OMG, why are you laughing? That is not good for me. Okay, wait.
Naingon na bro kag tabot.
Serious.
Because-
We are in California, Chaton, California.
You know, this is my first time that we are in the California ba. So we speak in English is very hard because your nose is flat, is more flatting.
Even my nose is flat and many chog mo there inside. So we need to speak English because that is some people watch me nini sometimes. We go there, we watch nini.
You know, I like the place.
You like the place because
I like the place.
we go here because we need to celebrate our advanced Valentine's Day.
Thank you very much.
So I will buy you a 2 boat there.
So this is my first time in our life sentence.
Oh yeah. This is my first time also.
So I am very happy.
You know, we are in the Tambubo Bay. So
know-
the Tambubo Bay is a very unique place.
Yes.
People can go here and eating and ride a boat there.
So I am very happy because we have a motor very big and we have a sports car and
Yeah,
now we
I have
yachting.
Yeah, yacht. You know, not yacht, yacht.
Yacht.
Yeah, yacht. You need to speak yacht.
Yacht. very social.
Yeah. You know, if you want to ride the boat there, yachting, yeah. Huh?
I like the boat.
That after that, I will ride you. You what?
You know how to drive like kagud.
Yeah, I will kagod you.
Like a gabas.
In February 14, I want to gabas you and kagod you and.
So you need to antos in the mini days.
Yeah.
No kagud, only the 14.
Yeah, in the 14, I will gabas you first, and I will romance you. You like romance?
Yes, I love your attire because you are like the type cowboy ba?
This is a unique form.
Kabayad na kasi mo utang.
Before I'm a military, but I'm just what do you call that?
Retire.
Retire
So
because
you have lots of money.
I have lots of money. You want money?
Yes, I like the money.
Oh my God, this! Your face is very cute. Your face is very katek and very cute. You know, if you see a lot of handsome boys,
Yes,
I don't trust you.
me also.
Yeah.
I don't trust you either.
Either? What is it?
Who is either?
You want money? You tell me. Oh, you buy some foods there.
Oh, you speak English, your money only 50 pesos? Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.